Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another 4 winter outfits styling video. Alright, y'all know the drill by now. I pull pieces that are either new or I've worn recently, I'm thinking about wearing, all the things, and then my outfit that I'm going to wear for the rest of the day is in here as well. I'm going to chit chat as I love to do, and get ready and kind of style the pieces together with you guys. So yeah, let's jump in. Let's start with look number 1. If you guys are watching my vlog channel, then you saw 2 of the pieces in here are from Quince, but I had dried them, or well, I washed the sweater and it shrunk, it's cashmere, and then I dried these silk pants, but I brought them back to life using conditioner and soaking them in my sink. So if you haven't seen that, I'll throw that up in the cards. But I'm back to vlogging and I saved my pants. They were looking like super lackluster and they kind of shrunk a little bit, so we got them back. So we're gonna style them. Perfect, they still fit perfectly. I accidentally threw them in the dryer, which is a no-go. Now I'm going to throw on a white tee and we're going to accessorize this outfit. So tuck this in. This is my trusty Hanes t-shirt. I think this is gonna look good with this sweater. I don't know yet because I haven't paired the 2 together. But we're just gonna tuck this and tie my little strings. I'm gonna throw it on with my new sneakers because we got the gray and navy look going on. So let's pop on my Onitsukas. All right, next. If you watched my recent Quince haul, then you saw I picked up this little cardi, which I love. So excited. This is actually my first time like wearing it besides that video. I got a size medium. I think it's gonna be good. It's kind of like a boat neck style on the top, so that was what I was worried about. Shush. And I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it just like open. And I was thinking a hat to tie in, maybe on navy. Give some cuffs. I think this is really cute. Yeah, the neck is definitely much more like open, but I think you can still see it, so it looks really cute. This is such a good little outfit. Debating if I want to tuck in. The sweater is so good, and these pants, like I said, everything's from Quince because I love Quince. I'm actually gonna do a different style button. I think I'm gonna button this. Now I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. Why do I do this to myself? I could always change back in. This is good. This is a size medium, so it's slightly like boxy, but I like that look. It just feels so cozy, but not itchy at all, which is amazing. Cute. So this is look number 1. I think we nailed it. I really love this. I love the baseball cap with the silk pants and the sneakers and all that. It's just very like, I don't know, opposites, but all works together perfectly. So look number 1. How'd we do? Did we nail it? I think we nailed it. I think this is so cute. And honestly, I would wear this for the rest of the day. If you haven't tried Quince's silk items, they're washable silk, and they hold up so freaking well. And like I said, if you end up drying them, they still will come back to life. But yeah, this is really cute. Love this. Again, amazing. All right, let's move on to look number 2. It's this thought I have in mind before going to like a Pilates class, like dressing like the cute Pilates girls, or even for like a walk or something like that. I always like want to wear this, so we're gonna see if it like comes together and looks cute. I picked up this new workout set from CRZ Yoga, which y'all already know. It's like my entire collection of workout clothes is CRZ for the most part. I'm obsessed with them, so we're gonna try on it. It's like this green color. It's a new sports bra that I have yet to try, and I originally ordered it in a small and had to size up to a medium, so I haven't actually tried this one on yet. So we're gonna try it on, see if I like it, and cut the tags if I do, and then we're gonna accessorize it and kind of build an outfit around a workout set because I think it would be so cute. So let's do that. I can never go anywhere after my workouts in terms of yoga because I'm a sweaty mess afterwards, but before I could always run some errands, and I thought this was a cute, or like I said, just a walking outfit or like an athleisure type of outfit. So let's pop on the leggings, make sure they fit. These are good. This color's so cute. It's gonna show so much sweat because it's like a lighter color, but I really don't care. And these leggings are just so insanely comfortable. It's crazy. If I was gonna wear them, I should cut my tail. If I was gonna wear them for the rest of the day, I would switch into my JIV undies, but I'm not, so I don't need to. And these are a size small. I got these ones off Amazon, but sometimes I order through the links, and I actually had to order them twice because someone stole my first package. Annoying. But if you don't know what the JIV underwear I'm talking about, I talk about it often, but I haven't talked about it in a while. They're the like padded undies, so they don't show CT, camel, you know. So they're amazing if you have front seam leggings. I don't mind front seam leggings, except for the issue with that part. So those underwear are the only underwear I wear with leggings. They're amazing. They're pricey, but they are so worth it. I have bought 2 full sets, like 10 pairs of underwear, because I wear them all the time and they're so good. Sports bras are always a gamble for me because I have a larger chest and a lot of sports bras don't work for me, like thin sports bras, spaghetti strap sports bras. Like I said, this is a different style than what I've usually been wearing. Ooh, it feels a little like loose around the mid section, but I think that would be fine. I feel like I'm gonna get, but I'm not gonna get under boob, like it's okay. I feel like I need to take the cups out to give myself more room. I typically love and oh, I can tighten the straps too, which is nice. I think these like come off too, and you could like crisscross them for more support in the back, but I've been loving these ones. These are the ones I've been wearing a ton from CRZ, and I get these in a small. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell, they have like a wider set strap. Well, it's similar to this versus like something that comes more in because my boobs tend to go and spill out the top and I hate that feeling. So I think this is a win. So cute. Let's see about these pads though. These pads are very stiff. I would have honestly got this top in the other color, or this color, if in that other sports bra if they offered it, but they didn't, so cute. I feel very like not spilling out. I feel good. Good, cute. Okay, so this was my thought. And then let's throw on some socks because I was thinking of doing like a sock sneaker type of moment. I love these socks from Amazon. They're like the perfect height. Okay, next I'm gonna put this cardigan back on for some layering moments. I love a cardigan over a workout set. I don't know, I just feel like it's very like unexpected but cute. You see all the girlies do it. So let's pop that on. Buttons. I'm gonna throw on Onitsukas. Again, I feel like this could be a cute, like, oh, what do I have on me? String. I feel like this could be a cute, like I said, running around outfit, but also to go before workout. If you don't sweat, you can wear this afterwards. I just do because we're in hot yoga. Okay, and then the last little layering piece is this new jacket. It's not new. I just haven't been able to wear it because it hasn't been cold enough. Throw our hair up. Cute. Okay, now I'm thinking I want to unbutton these two. And I think it's cute. It's actually really cute. Very good, just like kind of run around before a workout type of look. like you're layered and cute, but it's just easy to take off. And I don't know. I debated even showing this, but I think it's cute, and I always stay on planet. I always wonder how they like put together these really like cute but like athleisure type of looks, and I think I nailed it. I think it turned out really cute. So this was look number 2. Like I said, not really like an outfit, but like an athleisure outfit. And I love this color. Okay, let's move on to the third outfit. And this is the outfit that I'm actually thinking about wearing for Scott's birthday dinner. So let's put it together. Ah! This sweater is so static. Alright, let's put on my wide leg dark wash pants from H&M and a light blue button. These are like the highest rises jeans I've ever had in my life. And I just got the cutest little booties from Target. I was like looking for a pair of boots, and I was about to bite the bullet on a pair of Sam Edelmans that looked identical to this, but I looked at the ship date and they weren't supposed to ship until April, and I was like, okay, that's not cool. So I was like, not doing that. So I was like going through Target as one does yesterday, not having a great day. And I found these boots and I was like, done. And I would have wanted like a 7, but they only had a 6.5, but the 6.5 fits. So joy, and they're not online. So I was so excited they had them in my size in the store, and look how adorable they are. Okay, so we're gonna pop these on with these pants. They're just like the cutest little booty, and with these pants it's like perfection. This length needs a heel, so I'm happy I found a different pair besides just my cowboy boots to wear with them. And they're kind of a point, but not like so pointy. They're kind of like a rounded point, which I liked. I didn't want square, but I didn't want pointed. Okay, now let's unbutton, give myself a little something. Belt. Okay. Off a little. This belt is everything. And then let's do a little, this is the sweater that I also washed and shouldn't have washed. But we stretched her out to normalcy. We're just gonna throw her over the shoulder. And this is what I'm thinking. I don't know, I'm excited, it's good. I don't know if it's what I wanna wear for sushi, but these shoes are so comfortable. If you can get your hands on these in store, do it. But, all right, that was the third outfit. Let's move on to the fourth. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear for the rest of the day. I don't have to. I'm going to the mall but I have to go to the Galleria Mall, which I don't love to go to. It's just so far away, and it gives me PTSD because that's where I worked at when I moved back from Japan, and it was the worst like mental state I had probably ever been in. But you know, such is life. So it gives me like PTSD whenever I go in there. There are just so many horror stories from that time in my life. Anyway, such is life. We've moved past it. But I want to go to Uniqlo because they just opened a Uniqlo there, and they did this like jean collaboration with somebody I don't know, but the jeans look so good that I need to go try them on to figure out what my size is. They're more of like a relaxed, slouchy fit, and I think I'm going to be obsessed with them. So we're going there. Plus I have a return from Old Navy, and they have an Old Navy in the mall. So we're just gonna kill 2 birds, 1 stone. You know what I mean? So, all right, let's change into my white barrel jeans and a white tee, and we're going to layer and accessorize. It's quite cold out. It's getting colder as the day goes on. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna do my white barrels. Not stained from the last time I wore them, so I'm hoping they just fall throughout the day. Now, I thought about this outfit in my head, so we're just gonna see how it works. But I'm gonna put on some big chunky socks because I'm just gonna wear my clogs. I feel like it'll be easy to take on and take off in the dressing room. So let's put these on. Like I said, it's kind of cold. So Need some socks. Next, I'm gonna put on a little white ribbed tee for an extra layer. I'm gonna go and layer over the top this little like super, it's kind of sheer, very thin, very stretchy, very soft long sleeve from H&M. My thought was to let it kind of hang out. Okay, give that a tuck in. I'm loving the gray with the white. And then since I have my clogs, I was gonna go with this like light tan belt. Abercrombie. Okay, so this is the base. Now I'm going to, because it's cold, throw on this coat. I liked the brown with the white and the gray. I thought it would look good. So cozy, so comfy. Okay, it's because they're so cute. And this is what we're gonna wear for the rest of the day. To go do our little mall return and buy. So yeah, that's it. That's the fourth and final look. Okay, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think this is definitely my favorite outfit. I am living for this gray and white situation with the brown. It is crushing it, and I'm obsessed with the glasses. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun. As always, I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below, and any other type of videos you want to see from me, also let me know. But I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.